Hi everybody, it's the Banjo Sandwich back again with another recipe, a Quorn utopia! Quorn tacos! And here are your ingredients. Cheesy biscuits, sour cream, jalapeno peppers, Gouda cheese, stand and stuff, soft taco shells, tomatoes, lettuce, chili and garlic grinder, sauce, mixed peppers, and the magic ingredient, Quorn. Heat up the wok on the stove. Fry the peppers in the wok. Chop some tomatoes. Season the peppers. Add in the Quorn. Stir in the Quorn on a medium heat. It looks like real meat. Add Old El Paso seasoning mix. And stir. Chop finely some jalapenos. Prepare your lettuce for the taco boats. Cut your lettuce and put it into your taco boat. Put some cheese into your taco boats. Add some mix to the taco shells. Looking good so far. Now for some magic ingredients. Add some jalapenos and some tomatoes. That's gonna be a hot one. Ooh. Add some crushed biscuits, the cheesy ones, for that extra crunch. Pour over some salsa. Add some cheese. And microwave for 30 seconds. Finally, add some sour cream. Muchas gracias.